Hi everyone. We have with us the Godox wireless transmission kit. It is a 2.4 GHz microphone. It has mono, stereo, and noise reduction function, and it is up to 200 meters of range. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Manual, microphone cable, the microphone, transmitter kit, noise reduction, microphone cables, and the charging cable. And now I will do a mic test using 4 devices. I will start off with the internal mic of the camera, which is Insta360 One RS, and then the Samsung S23 Ultra, then the iPhone 14, lastly with the Godox WEC Kit 1. Let's go. Now I'm talking to you using the direct internal microphone for the Insta360 One RS. Testing mic 1 2 3 4. Testing mic 1 2 3 4. This mic test is using the Samsung S23 Ultra default microphone settings. Microphone test 1 2 3 4. Microphone test 1 2 3 4. This is a test for the microphone on the iPhone 14. This is a test for the microphone on the iPhone 14. Mic test 1 2 3 4. Mic test 1 2 3 4. Microphone test of the Godox clipped to my t-shirt with noise cancellation off. Microphone test 1 2 3 4. Microphone test 1 2 3 4. And now this is a test of the microphone with noise cancellation on. Microphone test 1 2 3 4. Microphone test 1 2 3 4. And for best audio output quality, enter the camera settings, find the external mic gain, and reduce it. I lowered it to -6 dB, same as did here. It will improve the audio quality and remove any distortion. Which microphone sounded the best? Please let me know in the comment section below.